Today I'm going to show you how to use the glazing technique and blend that layer with your base layer using water. I've already painted these basic shapes and let them dry completely. You want to make sure that your base layer is totally dry or this will not work. First, I'm going over the top of my circle that I've painted with this dark blue paint. I'm rinsing my brush, and then without refilling it with paint, I'm going to go over my entire circle with the water, starting with where I've put down the blue paint. I'll show you again with the square and the triangle. I've put some purple paint down on this square, and then I'm going to rinse out my brush and go over the square with water, starting with where my purple paint is. If I wait too long, the purple paint will dry and it won't have the same effect. It'll just look like it did when I first put the paint down, and it won't really look blended, which is what I want it to look like. So on this triangle, it's a little bit less noticeable, and I did that on purpose. I mostly use this technique if I want to make a certain part of my painting darker. And you can do that by going in and adding a little bit of paint over the top of your base layer and then blending it out with water. If you tried this technique, post it over on Instagram and use the hashtag #SnowberryChallenge. I can't wait to see what you create.